This is the Ohm Master Blend Mushroom Powder. This is the 90 gram, 3.17 ounce bag. Just wanted to show you what it looks like in comparison to a regular sheet of paper. You can get an idea what the size is. A friend of mine told me he puts this in his coffee, and that's why I got it. It's supposed to be good for a variety of different stuff. I just wanted to show you how it arrives and what you get with it. So it comes in a resealable bag, and you can actually see the powder itself in here. Powder itself has kind of a bland taste on its own if you were to just taste the powder by itself. The serving size on this is 1 level teaspoon. There's about 40 servings per container. I've had this bag for a couple of weeks using it every morning. I don't use a full teaspoon. It's lasted me for a couple of weeks so far, and I'm not even halfway through it. It has 10 different mushrooms in here. You can see lion's mane, turkey tails in here, king trumpet, shiitake, all the popular ones everyone's talking about these days. It's kind of a bland taste if you were to taste it by itself, but I put it in my coffee in the morning. I don't taste it at all in there. It just mixes up in there, and it gives me a little bit of a kick. You got to mix it up real good. And if you're getting towards the end of your coffee, if you're putting it in your coffee, make sure you stir it up a little bit towards the end, just to make sure you get it all. It doesn't clump in there. So far, so good. I like it.